When it comes to anti-snore mouthpieces, there's no shortage of options. But did you know that most stop snoring mouthpieces pull and hold your jaw forward all night? This usually results in an uncomfortable night's sleep and a really sore jaw in the morning. One mouthpiece, however, uses tongue displacement technology to gently pull and hold the tongue forward while you sleep. This keeps your airway open and has been clinically proven to reduce snoring. The Good Morning Snore Solution retails for much less than many other anti-snoring mouthpieces and comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So there's absolutely no risk in trying it out. Visit www.goodmorningsnoresolution.com to order your Stop Snoring mouthpiece today.